Hello students, I am Dr. Priya Parkar. In earlier session, I have discussed the concept, types and characteristics of disasters. In that continuation, today I am discussing general effects of disasters on human life. This session will cover 4 general effects of disasters on human life. Question number 3 could be asked on this topic for 15 marks, expecting detailed discussion of 2 effects. The disasters affect human life in many ways. These are classified in 4 major types. They are physical effects, economic effects, social effects, and psychological effects. The physical effects. Disasters lead to death of several people. It could be due to collapse of buildings, fire, flood, or industrial accidents. The tsunami in 2004 took toll of death of 2.3 lakh lives across 14 countries. Around 1.30 lakh people died in cyclone of Bangladesh during 1991. An earthquake at Haiti killed 3.16 lakh people in 2010. The disasters caused physical injury to the several people, and sometimes injury may develop into lifelong disabilities. Disasters result in environmental degradation. Volcanoes and industrial leakage release toxic gases in the atmosphere. Floods and tsunami contaminates reservoirs of drinking water. Decay of dead bodies and ruined crops also pollute environment. All these lead to waterborne or vector-borne diseases or diseases due to malnutrition. Some disasters may change geography either by disappearing or developing new islands. The Hawaiian Islands in North Pacific Ocean, as well as St. Paul Rocks and Ancient Island in the Atlantic Ocean, are formed due to volcanic eruption. The disaster also affects us economically. The economic loss may be due to the damage to the place of employment or infrastructure. People belongs to unorganized sector incur more economic loss compared to the people employed in organized sector. Similarly, disabilities due to serious injuries causes loss of employment. Economic loss may occur due to demolished houses, damaged properties, death of livestock, ruin of standing crops, lost valuables, and loss of important documents. Death of earning family member also causes great economic loss. Moreover, limited compensation may not be sufficient for expensive treatment on physical injury, also results in economic loss. Lockdowns during pandemic COVID-19 had shaken the economies of many countries. Disasters damage the capacity of people to work, thus reducing productivity of the community. The social effects of disasters are also worth studying. Disruption in electricity, rail, road transport, and telecommunication network badly affect social networking. It further spreads rumors, thus makes survivor more anxious and panic. The unemployment triggered due to economic losses may further result in unethical means such as looting, stealing, robbing for earning bread. During post-disasters, the survivors may indulge in social evils like gambling, smoking, drinking liquor to forget their problems. Even money received in compensation may be wasted in gambling and drinking. It also affects women and children. The distressed population targets women and children. It has been observed that considerable rise in domestic violence during prolonged COVID-19 disaster. During man-made disasters like wars, women and young girls become victims of social evils and sexual harassment. The survivors may have to face caste and communal discrimination in distribution of relief or while taking shelter in the refugee camps. Sometimes such discrimination is observed while offering the compensation packages like cash or land to the survivors. The scheduled tribes also have negative impact of disaster. Loss of livelihood may result in forced mass migration. As a result, tribal may lose their own identity or culture. And the last but not the least, psychological effects of disaster. The survivors of disaster develop severe anxiety and mental distress due to mass destruction, life threat, and serious injuries. Long distance immigration and economic uncertainty adds worries about future. The survivors of disaster show severe stress related symptoms like fear, headache, blood pressure, and sleeplessness, etc. Severe stress could lead to depression and other mental illness, especially among those who have lost their loved ones and livelihood. Certain behavioral disorders such as indulging in alcoholism, excessive smoking, mood fluctuation, absenteeism from work, and aggressive behavior are common among the survivors of disasters. Anxiety of scarcity of essential goods may induce people to buy excess of groceries, medicines, and other essentials, which may create shortage of those goods in the market. Severity of psychological effects depend upon the age of an individual. The elderly are more likely to develop psychological problems in post-disasters than the younger one. Working age group people more worry about their livelihoods. The children show severe symptoms of distress. They may become more hostile, prefer to remain aloof, or develop school problems and sleep disorders. Studies have shown that the psychological effects differ as per gender. Natural disasters do not affect people equally. Women have limited access to the disaster related information, limited physiological freedom, and orthodox thinking restricts the mobility of women in rescuing themselves. Thus, usually females suffer more negative effects than the males. Likewise, bureaucratic hurdles and delay in compensation and relief from government staff intensifies the trauma of the victims who have lost their relatives and property. Thank you.